Hey guys, this is Kuya Kurt. I travel around the Philippines eating at different local restaurants, practicing my Tagalog. Parang sabihin nito, tender grilled chicken breast sa Tagalog. Ilay ako, guys. Wow! Today we are in Pasay City at Villamor Steak 99 Sizzling House, only rice, gravy, and drinks. So I did a vlog earlier today, a breakfast vlog, and at the very end, it was so funny. If you want to watch the video, it's from yesterday's vlog. It's so funny. I was sitting there, and Nanay, whose kitchen it was just cooking up food. She cooks up a lot of food for local students to take for their baon. Tapos may pumasok na isang tao sa kusina, and they started talking and just like old friends. And the lady who came inside, they're laughing that I'm speaking Tagalog. The lady who came inside and started talking to the owner, she works here at Steak 99, and she said, I have to come try Steak 99 today for dinner. So here we are, guys, back in beautiful Pasay City. Oh, kamusta? Gusto mo nang shoutout? Anong shoutout? Walang shoutout. So guys, here they have at Villamor Steak 99, may dalawa silang location. Anong tawag ito ate sa Tagalog? Yung dibdib ng manok or anong tawag? Pecha?
Chicken breast, pecho.
Pecho.
In Tagalog.
Pecho.
Chicken breast in English.
Ano yan sa Bisaya?
Bisaya.
Di ko alam. Jokes lang. Tagalog kayo talaga, di ba?
Yes.
Ayo, ako rin. So guys, we're gonna go inside. We're gonna see what they have. You can see here they're cooking up a lot of delicious pecho ng manok. Okay guys, pasok tayo. This is the entrance right here. You can see. Come on in, we are open. Oh, guys, this is a little. Ay. So kanina sa gym, tumakbo ko sa treadmill. Tapos biglang, paano sabihin nito sa Tagalog? Hinila ko ang aking kalamnam ng binti. Kaya masakit na. So guys, here we have the menu. We have all of the ingredients. So it's masyadong maluwak dito. Sobrang maluwak dito sa loob. Tignan mo. Oh, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ay, gabi na? Hindi. Hapon pa. Hapon pa.
Magandang hapon.
Ay, magandang hapon po.
Ay, magandang hapon po. Kain kayo dito sa amin.
Ito yung yung sinabi kong kanina, the person who came to the kusina earlier, that's her. So, Kuya, anong meron niyo dito na masarap?
Porterhouse po, yem po.
Wow!
Tsaka chicken inasal.
So may mga steak meals kayo, tsaka may chicken inasal, tapos may sizzling meals pa.
Yes po.
Anong pinakamabenta niyo sa isang araw? Yung pinakasikat?
Chicken.
Chicken. Anong uri ng chicken?
Breast part.
Ay, this. Tender grilled chicken breast. Parang sabihin nito, tender grilled chicken breast sa Tagalog. Lambot na inihaw na pecho ng manok.
Juicy.
Nang may juicy sauce sa taas. Grabe, guys. So siguro yung chicken breast, tapos pwede ko din idagdag yung liampo. Susubukan natin yung liampo. Masarap ba yun?
Yes po.
Okay, guys.
Best seller din po yun.
Talaga? Okay, guys. Try natin both. Bakit hindi? Kasi pumapayat daw ako. Kailangan tumaba. Gaano katagal ang kailangan nyo para sa paghahanda ng pagkain?
10 minutes, sir.
10 minutes lang. Okay, guys. 5-10 minutes lang. Uupo kami. Oh, tignan natin. Ay, ito yung gravy. Wow. So, anong putahe yun?
Steak, yes, sir.
Ay, yan ang sizzling steak.
Yes, sir.
Wow, guys. Sobrang masarap. Galing, guys. Okay, guys. Uupo tayo. Hihintayin natin yung pakain. We need about 10 minutes. Lalabas tayo dito para tignan natin. Ay, sakit. So anyways, guys, hinala ko ang kalamnam sa anong tawag ito sa Tagalog? Calf. Alakan. Alakan ito, di ba? Guys, we need to find a drink. Because they have juice there, but I'm trying to be healthy, so we just need a water. Ha?
Ang kain po.
Oh, pakain. Siyempre. Baon mo ito, ha? Huwag mong ibigay kay nanay. Sige, ha? Sige. Bye-bye. So maybe I just need a sari-sari store or something that has water. Apo! Ay, sa inyo ito? Meron ba kayong mineral water? Makano mo yung malaki?
25.
Ha?
25.
Makano?
25.
25, oh sige. May 50 sa inyo. Walang keep the change lang
Ay,
po.
thank you po.
Oh, sige, syempre. Oh, syempre. Guys, they don't believe me. I've only been here for 2 weeks. But on and off for 20 years. Guys, look at this. I look like, paano sabihin nito sa Tagalog? Pila? Pila ako? Is that right? I've got a, Kuya, anong tawag ito sa Tagalog pag gumaginito ako? Parang ganyan. Parang pilay, pilay. Parang pilay ako. Pilay ako, guys. Okay, guys. Oh, yeah, it really freaking hurts. I was running on the treadmill. I did cardio this morning, and I ran like 2 kilometers. Very easy, but I just bought new running shoes, and so I think that's probably messed with my my gait or my running, like the way that your foot strikes the cement or the floor. But then I went in, my legs are a little sore from, it was leg day, like, I don't know, 3 days ago. My legs are still pretty sore. And so today is leg day again, and I said, wag na lang. So I just do some cardio, some light cardio. So tumakbo ako kanina, umabot ako maybe, I don't know, 0.8 kilometers, almost 1 kilometer. And then as soon as I felt it, as soon as I did this on my left foot, I felt this like, not a pop. So hindi sobrang nasira dyan. But like it like instantly started hurting. So I stopped running. I was like, gosh dang it. I knew instantly I'd torn something or sprained something. So I got off, and yeah, it's right in the spot of my calf where you would expect to strain or tear the muscle. So I went back to the apartment, I iced it, I elevated it, I compressed it. It's still pretty tender, so looks like no running for the next couple of days, but it's funny because I've been running like my entire life. I haven't run much in the last 4 years since the pandemic. I got more into weightlifting, but I've been a runner my entire life. Ay, wow!
Liempo yan, sir. Liempo.
Ito yung liempo.
Yes, sir.
Grabe no, social. Grabe guys. Guys, look at this. Wow, guys. I could feel the juices from the vegetables popping up on my hands.
Sir, this is our bestseller.
Ito yung porterhouse, guys, at ito yung liempo. At ito yung gravy.
Yes.
Only gravy.
Yes.
Only gravy, only rice, guys.
Unlimited.
Wow. Mukhang masarap. So we're gonna try some of this gulaman. Oop, it's a little. Ooh, prutas ba ito? Gulaman?
Gulaman dyan, sir.
Prutas siya. Guys, ito si, anong pangalan niyo ulit?
Maribel Flores.
Maribel Flores, guys.
Yes.
Ito yung dumaan kanina sa kantina,
Yes.
sa karinderya. Sabi niya, Kuya Kurt, kailangan mong subukan yung Steak 99. Tapos sabi niya, ito yung pinakamasarap na pagkain. So kung ikaw yung mayari ng Steak 99, bigyan mo siya ng Christmas bonus na maaga kasi ang galing niyang empleyado.
No, lahat kami, sir.
Lahat sila may Christmas
Opo,
bonus.
Kasi we are team.
Ala.
So, let's team.
There's no I in team.
Yes.
Wow, wow, wow. And then if you guys know what gulaman juice is, this is really, really good. It's like I can't even identify what kind of flavor this is.
Sir, this is knife.
Thank you po.
Yes. And this is tissue.
Thank
if
you.
you need.
Ay, ito may sticker ako para sa inyo. Mayroon akong sticker.
Yes. And dikit dito.
Oh,
sir.
sige, sticker. Sticker. Sticker.
Doon pa sa isa.
Sticker.
I have one na. Doon na lang sa isa.
Oh, sige.
Sa boss natin. Sir, one only.
Ay, isa pa.
For our boss.
Ay, dalawa pa.
Oh, yeah.
Kung kailangan.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Pero walang Gcash dyan sa likod, ha? So earlier on the vlog yesterday, which was earlier today, I gave her a sticker and she saw this. And she's like, is this money? Is this Gcash?
Yes.
No Gcash, YouTube lang.
YouTube lang?
Okay guys, let's try this. Try lang natin. So this is the, let's try the liempo first. So this is the first time I've ever been given a knife, guys, to eat my Filipino food with. Because as we all know, Filipino food by itself, when it's cooked, the meat usually becomes super soft and tender in most Filipino meals. And so it becomes really, really easy to eat with just a spoon and a fork. Where do they get this meat from, though? Because I was told that a lot of the steak here in the Philippines has to be imported. Okay, guys, porterhouse steak from Steak 99 here in Pilay City. Pilay, Pasay ito. I love Pasay City, Pilipinas. Philippines.
Yes, sir.
Manila, Philippines.
Manila, Philippines.
Earth.
Shout out ka na.
Ano yung shout out ko?
I-shoutout nyo yung family, yung mga apo, kahit sino.
Ay, kamusta kayo dyan? Mga pamilya ko sa Bacolod. Kasama si Tagalog Girl. Panoorin niyo siya, ha? Tagalog Girl. Lalo pa yung mga ilan.
Ay, thank you.
Rambo.
Chicken.
Ano yun mo? Panoorin mo si Kurt. Mga apo ko, si Kurt.
Utos yan, guys. Utos. Panoorin nyo na, ha? Sabi niya.
Panoorin niyo na, ha? Utos ko.
Ayun.
Hindi. Pag hindi ko kayo mahal.
Bahala kayo dyan, ha?
Bala kayo dyan. Panoorin niyo.
Oh, galing. Thank you, Nay. So, guys, porterhouse.
No, liempo.
Ay, liempo,
This is
porterhouse
porterhouse.
chicken.
Yes.
Okay.
Beef, pork, chicken.
Beef, pork, chicken. Ay, lahat.
Yes.
Kompleto itong, itong meal na ito.
Yes. But available also. Yeah.
Steak.
Woo!
Yes.
Malamig.
No.
Grabe, no?
Mainit?
Yan, tamang-tama.
Yes.
Guys, the liempo,
Masarap siya pag mainit, sir.
masarap na masarap. Sobrang sarap. Okay, guys, now we have the porterhouse. Ito yung porterhouse. Guys, this is just classic Filipino. Okay, let's try this porterhouse, guys. Sabi nila ito yung best seller nila. Okay, guys, here's the porterhouse of Steak 99.
Titikman niya po yan. Hindi babalik yan. Yeah.
Ako nanay mo din.
Sige. Pwede. Guys, may bago akong nanay. Nanay, pasensya, pero may bago akong nanay dito sa Pilipinas.
Ah.
Sobrang bait, tapos meron din siyang apo, kapangalan ko. Guys, ang sarap talaga itong porterhouse.
Shout out ako sa aking family.
Ay, teka. Ayun.
Flores family, asawa ko, mga anak ko, with honors, congratulations sa inyo.
Oh!
Love you. I love you.
Oh, sobrang bait, guys.
Thank
Guys,
you, sir.
ilagay niyo sa mga comments yung mga congratulations.
Yes.
Para sa kanyang pamilya. Okay, guys, so the porterhouse, masarap din siya. Tapos subukan natin din yung yung pecho ng manok. Okay, guys, subukin lang natin yung chicken lang para alam natin yung lasa. Ay, wow. Maano siya? Paano sabihin juicy sa Tagalog?
Makatas. Makatas.
Makatas. Sobrang katas talaga, guys. Makatas itong pecho ng manok. Wow! It's so juicy. Tapos may kaunting chicken oil. Ito yung mayari.
Yes po.
Ay.
Our big boss.
Kamusta?
Yan yung pagkain.
ito talaga yung trabaho nyo ngayon.
Yes.
So, ito yung first location mo.
No, second.
Second, ito mong mag-shoutout ang resto nyo. Bakit? Ay, guys, nakakahiya guys. Okay guys,
Marvel will be the
siya yung talagang face of the business.
Yes.
Sabi niya, kasi nakita niya ako kanina, kasi nag-vlog ako sa umaga doon, malapit lang sa isang karinderya. Tapos dumaan siya, sabi niya, kailangan pumunta ka sa Take 99 mamaya. Sabi ko, sige. Sabi niya, yung rush time nyo is 6 p.m. So sabi ko, 5 p.m. na lang para hindi ako mag-abala sa mga iba. Pero so far, delicious. At kung gusto niya, yung mga follower ko, kung gusto nilang mamasyal dito at bumili, welcome. So may location kayo dito sa Pasay City. Tapos yung pangalawa,
Sa loob din ng Villamor.
ay malapit lang.
Malapit lang.
Ay tapos yung pangatlo, saan pupunta or saan?
Malibay.
Ay, sana all magiging susunod na Jollibee kayo. Okay. Tapos anong pangalan nyo? Rene?
Yeah.
Rene, guys, ito si Rene, ang mabait na mayari. Sana mamasyal kayo dito, susubukan nyo yung pecho ng manok. Oh, sige, thank you for the interview.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, sige, muna ako, tatapusin ko ito para hindi masyadong malamig. Thank you talaga. Okay, it's gotten a little cold. Maribel! Miss Maribel!
Yes, sir!
Pwedeng take out na lang ito?
Yes po.
Kasi, tapos kakainin ko mamaya para sa hapunan.
Okay po.
Tapos magkano po yan sa akin, lahat-lahat?
Ano?
Hindi, syempre.
No.
Syempre, magbabayad ako. Bawal yun. Bawal hindi magbayad.
No.
Magbabayad talaga ako. Hindi naman.
Boss!
Go.
Free go.
Sabihin mo lang sa kanya, bawal ang walang bayad.
Free daw.
May bayad naman! I insist! Kahit pilitin ka!
Kahit pilitin ka?
Kailan pa ba yan?
Water! Water, please! Samahin mo na lang.
Guys, hindi ko alam kung anong juice ba ito, pero ang sarap.
Pananak, sago. Yan ang sago.
Ayoko talaga, guys. Okay, tignan natin kung makano yan, guys. Tignan natin sa menu para magbabayad kami. Saglit lang, nanay. 20 yung manok. Yung liempo, 99. So, 120, 219. At saka yung porterhouse, 120. 219, 224. Hindi ako masyadong magaling magkwenta.
339.
339 lang. Talaga? Guys, 339 pesos lang para sa lahat ng na putahe na yon.
Only na yun, sir. Only rice.
Ay,
only
tapos
gravy.
only rice, only gravy.
No, only. Unlimited.
Oh, sige, di ba?
Oh,
Only rice, only gravy,
And then
only manok.
No.
Walang only manok, guys. Juice, gravy, at saka kanin lang. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Papaya.
Ito, 1, 2, 3, 4 guys. 400 pesos. Tapos, may isang sorpresa ako para sa inyo.
Ano, sir, no? Surprise?
Ako ang bahala sa inyong, ako ang bahala sa inyong merienda mamaya.
Thank you.
Para sa... So ito, galing sa mga supporter ko, binibigyan nila ako ng support sa pamamagitan ng mga views.
May pabili
Tapos
ako ng gatas.
ipapasa ko ang support na yon sa staff ng mga, yung masisipag na staff sa mga karinderya sa mga
Thank you,
resto.
sir.
Tama ba yun?
Maraming salamat sa followers po and then sa sponsor. Thank you very much. Welcome
Galing,
kayo
guys.
sa aming
Galing guys.
899.
Guys, Kuya Cart dito sa harap ng Steak 99 sa Pasay. Ang sarap ng manok, ang sarap ng liempo, ang sarap ng lahat. Ang bait ng staff, guys. Tignan nyo.
Thank you.
Kung gusto nyo ng masarap na manok at inihaw, punta kayo dito kasi sobrang sarap. Sige guys, tara na. Mag-eat tayo. Guys, sikat. Sikat na sikat ako dito, guys. Nice meeting you. 1, 2, 3, pak!
1, 2, 3, smile.
Taba.
1, 2, 3, smile.
1, 2, 3, smile. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3, smile. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you guys. Ang bait nyo talaga. Guys, ang bait ng staff dito.
Ayun.
1,
Thank you
Nice
talaga.
meeting you. Guwapo
Nice
ka
meeting
talaga.
Ito talaga. Ito talaga. Okay guys.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Mga mami na kasama ko sa
Okay guys, successful. I'm gonna put this, there's a white family walking around here. They look really lost and confused. So guys, successful vlog. Sobrang bait ang mga tao, sobrang sap. So, I'm gonna give myself a lemonade guys before I ride home. And then we're gonna call it a day and then we're gonna wrap it up. And then we're gonna see you again on the next one. Maraming salamat sa inyo sa pagsama sa vlog na ito. Sama makakita ko kayo sa susunod. Hanggang dyan guys, ako si Kuya Kurt. Kita Keats.